In this video, I'm going to show you how to set starting balances in Manager.io. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the left here and you want to add bank and cash accounts. So you want to go to Customize, find bank and cash accounts, click on a check mark, and then click on Update at the bottom. And then over here, you can click on bank and cash accounts, and you want to add a new bank or cash account, or of course multiple, and to those, you'll then be able to set starting balances. Now, you cannot do this directly in here where you click on Edit. However, you want to go to the settings button over here on the left, and inside settings, if you scroll down, you'll find it's going to say starting balances. So you want to click on starting balances over here at the bottom in the middle. And then from here, you want to click on bank and cash accounts, or of course, whatever it's relevant. I'm going to go to bank and cash accounts. And then from here, you want to click on new starting balance. You want to select your bank or cash account, or of course, whatever you would like the starting balance to. And then here is where you can add your starting balance. So I'm going to put on 10K, click on create over here, and there we go. We now have a starting balance, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.